Darkened lips can sneak up on you, thanks to everyday culprits like smoking, sun exposure, and pollution. But here's the good news. You don't have to live with it. With a few simple, natural remedies, you can revive your lips and bring back their soft, healthy glow right from home. Presenting lip darkening. Moisturize your lips. Dry, damaged lips can have a dark appearance. Use a good quality lip balm. Check the ingredients to make sure that it has both a moisturizer, such as shea butter or cocoa butter, and a binding agent, such as beeswax. Use sunblock. Protect your lips from the sun as you protect the rest of your skin. Lips don't tan, but they can burn and become dry, which will make them appear darker. Make sure your lip balm has sunblocking material of SPF 20 or greater. Use lipsticks with sunblock of SPF 20 also. Quit smoking if you do. Smoking can discolor lips, as tobacco, nicotine, and tar can all darken lips. Additionally, heat from cigarettes may cause you to produce more melanin, which protects skin from the sun, and darken their lips. Quitting is hard. Talk to your doctor about medications that can help you quit, as well as gum or patches. Massaging and exfoliating. Massage your lips. Massages can increase blood flow and brighten your lips. Massage your lips with almond oil every night before bed to deeply moisturize. Exfoliate your lips to keep them soft and smooth. You can use a sugar scrub. Just mix sugar with a bit of honey or olive oil, rub it on your lips, then wipe it off after a minute. Or gently buff with a soft toothbrush in circular motions. Always follow with a soothing lip balm. Do this twice a week, and if your lips get irritated, exfoliate less often or use a gentler touch. Use a pomegranate lip scrub to enhance lip color. Mix crushed pomegranate seeds with milk to form a paste, apply it to your lips, and rinse after 2 to 3 minutes. Repeat as needed, but stop if irritation occurs. And lightening with food. Use freshly squeezed lemon juice to naturally lighten lips. Apply a few drops before bed and rinse with warm water. For a gentler option, mix lemon with honey and apply overnight. Massage a baking soda paste onto your lips to exfoliate and lighten them. Mix with water, apply gently, then rinse and apply a moisturizing balm. Rub a slice of potato on your lips before bed and leave it overnight. Rinse with warm water in the morning. Potatoes contain catalase, an enzyme known to help lighten dark skin. Use beetroot juice for naturally pink lips. Apply a few drops daily and let it absorb. No need to rinse. Alternatively, make a paste with beetroot powder and water, leave it on for 10 minutes, then wipe it off. Repeat as needed, but stop if irritation occurs. Make a natural lip stain by mixing ground pomegranate seeds with equal parts beetroot and carrot juice. Apply to your lips and leave it on for a lasting tint. Alternatively, you could use a mixture of cranberry and grape juice to stain your lips a ruby red color. Repeat as desired to maintain the look. Thank you for watching.